Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 of a series of 45 days of videos. I'm going to walk you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45. As you can see, this is their second day in the farm. Many of them are so soaked wet because there was no light last night. There was a rainstorm and many of the electrical poles here are down, so I don't think they'll be having light in the next 5 days. So actually they have been scrambling for water because they did not drink enough water yesterday. I provided them with torch light last night, but it wasn't enough for all of them, so most of them were still thirsty to drink water. So that's why you see this one so soaked wet. So actually they are going to be fine because I have to provide them emergency heat. Before I get to provide them with the heat, guys, just to tell you that we lost one bird last night as they were scrambling for water. The torch light was focused in one spot, just one drinker, and many of them were scrambling for water. So this one was so soaked wet that it could not walk, so the other ones trampled upon him and he died. After intensifying the heat, guys, I came back to see how the birds are doing, and you can see the water has dried off from their body, so they are all doing well now, and the heat is enough for them. That's why they are all spread out inside the house. You can see they are very okay. And guys, I've also changed their water. Remember, you have to change their water before 24 hours to avoid bacteria from building up in their water. So I've changed their water, and now I've given them normal water without any antibiotics inside, normal drinking water, and that anyone can drink. Remember, you have to give them clean water. It helps them to grow fast, healthy and strong. So you make sure that you give them clean water always. Very strong, guys, you can see. Yes, they're all spread out in the room. That's to tell you that they are comfortable. The heat is enough for them. If not, they will be crowded in one spot. Many of them will be crowded in one spot because they are trying as much as possible to keep themselves warm. So they are very comfortable, guys. How are you doing? You're fine? Okay, go down. So much sunshine outside, you might think that it will not rain today. So guys, thank you for watching this day 2 video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss on any available updates. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be informed in real time. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.